Light switches and electrical sockets market report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global light switches and electrical sockets market size will be $17,548.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5% from 2024 to 2031. North America light switches and electrical sockets market size of $7,019.28 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe light switches and electrical sockets market size of $5,264.46 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.5% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific light switches and electrical sockets market size of $4,036.09 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America light switches and electrical sockets market size of $877.41 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa light switches and electrical sockets market size of $350.96 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.